Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily disable short videos on YouTube for your mobile devices. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under this video. Also write your comments and subscribe to our channel. So, friends, let's get started. And please open up your YouTube. And you, just like me, may be offered these short videos, or as they're called in YouTube Shorts. So friends, how do you turn them off? Well, for starters, you're going to need to on all 4 of these videos that you're going to have in your recommendations. At the top, click on the 3 dots. Click on them. And here, select the option for Not Interested. Do the same thing, friends, do the same thing with all 4 videos. Until you have all 4 videos looking like this. Now you will need to log out of YouTube, after which log back in. And you can scroll through to see if you still have shorts. If you don't, and they're gone, then that's good. That means you've temporarily turned them off. But if you still have shorts, then I suggest you friends, do the same thing again. That is 4 of these short videos, just click Not Interested. After that, they will 100% disappear from your YouTube on your mobile device. This way, you will disable them. This is the very simple and quick way like this. You can easily disable video shorts on YouTube for your mobile devices. I hope this video, friends, has been helpful and useful to you. Please put your likes, write comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.